Ka MEECL kalakular mensiu ya kabai bam temen jong kinong trei bala syong thait na kabenta ubna yoyong majemang benta usnem. Kani kalong hadin makinong trei bujuyo bai temen kilamut ban pelong ya ka jingyaki menta kasngi ka arpu praterik ujilio arajar arpu wei. Henry shua bakin yaki UCMD ka MEECL ulakot ya kreno yaki bat kular mensiu no ya kani kabai bam temen ka jongki.
Very much positive. He has given commitment that pension for the month of April and May will be paid within this week. So because of that, he has requested us to call off the dharna today. So based on his commitment, we want to cooperate with the management, and we will call off now the dharna. But if nothing positive comes within this coming week, then we will have to again schedule the next course of agitation. As I've told you, we have not received the pension for the month of April and May this year. Actually, till the month of March, we are receiving pension regularly. But suddenly, pension for the month of April has been stopped. The reason we understood is that the Meghalaya State Electricity Regulatory Commission, MSCRC, has given a kind of order that the petition filed by MECL for the true-up in the tariff for the year 17-18 cannot be booked or in the tariff, which is why CMD has written a letter to the Secretary Power Department, Government of Meghalaya, on the 24th May 2021, and the association has received a copy of that letter. It's being endorsed to the association, and based on that, we have written on the 27-28, we have written a letter to CMD requesting him, till the trust fund is made functional, kindly sir, don't stop our pension, because majority of the pensioners depend their livelihood only on pension. They don't have any other source. So it'll be a kind of criminal act to stop the pension at this juncture, especially at the time of pandemic. And then on the 31st of May itself, we have written a separate letter to the Power Minister requesting him to resolve this problem so that the pensioner community of the MECL will not have to suffer like this. Then later on, we had several rounds of meeting with the Power Minister, with the CMD also, but till last week, there's no concrete commitment from any side, which is why we have chalked out a program to stage a dharna today. But last night we got a call that government is trying to do something, and the CMD requested us to call off this dharna. But we said, sir, without meeting you first as a committee, we cannot call off like that. After meeting with you only, we will take a call whether to call off or to continue. But after having met him, he has given us this commitment, kindly call off. Within this week, we are trying to clear your dues for the month of April and May. So which is why we have decided to call off this dharna today. But we have specifically told that if nothing happens within this week, then we have no other option but again to make fresh program of agitation to demand for our own rights.